Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, it's Friday, October the 6th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary one. Yes, the binary puzzle number 722. 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there and O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one. There one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one. Here no. There no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here in the first row. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the last column. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first column. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then I need to wait. Well, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Solve it again. Quick one, without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.